Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Swift Sport 1.6 140 brake horsepower 2016. This vehicle is £140 per year to tax and comes with 2 keys. I will now walk you around the vehicle to give you an insight to the specification and condition. Starting at the front, we've got the honeycomb style front grille, front fog lights with the bezels which are in anthracite grey, projector xenon headlamps with the black inserts, 17-inch alloy wheels, all with great tyres. These wheels also feature TPMS, which indicates on the dashboard when your tyre pressure is getting low. Body coloured door mirrors and door handles with privacy glass on 3 sides. As you can see, special to the Sport, we've got twin tailpipes and a anthracite grey rear diffuser. As you can see from the walk around video, the vehicle is in remarkable condition and needs for no paint or any bodywork. And now with a quick view inside the car, we've got wide opening doors allowing ease of access, electric folding door mirrors which are also heated, height adjustable driver seat which allows for great comfort for the driver. Inside we've got the cruise control with the audio controls and the Bluetooth, automatic headlights, and as you can see we've got a satellite navigation system. This features DAB radio and SD card functionality. Onto the climate control, we've got a reheated screen with aircon, and as you can see for the Sport we've got bucket style seats. If I just flip forward, you can see we've got great space in the back with ISOFIX points on the 2 outer rear seats. Please remember the vehicle will come with a service and MOT if due, as well as a 3-month warranty and a complimentary valet. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call on 0113 271 2288. If you haven't already, please feel free to have a look at our reviews on Facebook, Auto Trader and Google. Thank you for watching.